Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Seat Ibiza. This particular model is 2011 and the problem we have is whenever it hits the pothole, the knocking noise comes from the front left hand side suspension. So the possible suspect can be the anti-roll bar linkage. So just going to take the wheel off and then I'm going to start the rest of the procedure. So that is the culprit here, the anti-roll bar linkage. Basically the gator here is ripped, so it's letting all the moisture in, which causes the joint to get rusty, and that's how the play occurs, plus the wear and tear as well. It's secured by one nut here and one nut here at the back. Bit funny place to have the nut facing towards the engine. So we're gonna use the wire brush to clean the thread on this stud at the top. I'm gonna do the same here at the bottom. Right, so next we're gonna spray plenty of WD-40 on the top mount, and then same for the bottom mount. I'm gonna let it soak a bit. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a 16mm socket to slacken off the top nut. There we go. There we go, that's the top mount nut fully removed. And then we're gonna do the bottom one in the same manner. For the bottom one, we're not gonna use any extension on it because of the space issue. There we go. Right, here we go. That's the both of the nuts removed. So for the bottom one, I used the 16mm socket and the ratchet to slacken it off, and then to remove it I used a 16mm ratchet spanner. So we're gonna use the crowbar to free up the linkage. Just gonna show you the reason why it was making the knocking noise. See, this one is clicking when you move it. They both are loose, especially this bottom one. It's completely had it. I can push it in and out as well. So before you fit it, just make sure that the length is same as the old one. Right, here we go. It can go either way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scale the bottom one first. Just gonna fit the nut. Right, so what we're gonna do for the top mount is we're gonna use a crowbar to push the anti-roll bar down, and then that's how we're gonna fit the pin in for the top mount. For the new nut, we're gonna be using a 17mm socket and the ratchet to tighten it. There we go, that's nice and tight. So now we're gonna tighten the bottom mount. We're gonna be using a ratchet spanner to tighten the nut. There we go. That's the bottom mount, nicely secured. There we go friends, job done. That was a nice and easy, simple forward procedure to change the anti-roll bar linkage on this Seat Ibiza 2011 model. Whenever you experience any rattling noise from the front suspension or the rear one, most of the time it's the anti-roll bar linkage which is the culprit. So that's what makes the noise. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.